If you've done your research and you know that a Chris Craft Launch 30 is the boat for you, well, this 2018, very well priced, excellent condition, dry storage kept Chris Craft Launch 30 is a boat you should be looking at. So if you have an interest in a Chris Craft Launch 30, if you have an interest in stepping out in style, if you have an interest in pulling up to the dock in the best looking boat on the water, you may call Christopher 561-285-1212. Take a variety of finishes, the tumble home transom, all those Chris Craft trademarks that nobody else builds in a boat. The elegance that no other brand offers. If you're looking for that, then you know what a Chris Craft Launch 30 is all about. So we just finished doing some drone footage of the Chris Craft Launch 30 off Miami Beach. And it's been a while since I've had a chance to run one of these boats. And I forgot just the visceral fun that these boats offer. They're not just show, they're go. When you hit the throttles, it's a quiet, jet-like propulsion. This boat just pops up effortlessly and quietly and very rapidly. And the handling, the solid construction. There's some famous architectural design behind this hull. Ray Hunt and another gentleman whose name's escaping me right now. This boat is not just show. It has a real nautical performance heritage and a visceral fun when you're running that I have to admit I'd kind of forgotten about, and it'll bring a smile to your face. This boat is an absolute blast to run. So if you have an interest in a Chris Craft 30 launch, 2018, low hours, dry storage kept, beautiful condition, you may call Christopher 561-285-1212. This beauty needs a new home. And her new owner is going to really enjoy owning this gorgeous boat. Another point, as I bring the Chris Craft back to its home slip at Rickenbacker Marina on the Key Biscayne Causeway, is that this boat comes with the opportunity to keep its prime dry storage spot at Rickenbacker Marina. So if you live in the Miami area, you know how valuable that is. Beautiful Chris Craft, along with the opportunity to keep its dry storage spot at Rickenbacker Marina. So if you have an interest, give me a call. Thank you.